All right, here's our brilliant idea. While that is burning on fire, which is an interesting phrase to begin with, I am going to throw in this 1 pound Coleman propane cylinder in there, run for my life, and we'll see if it turns into a rocket ship or not. Hurry up. We're gonna have to run up this hill pretty damn quick.
I'm dipping. Woo.
I'm ready. You recording?
Indeed.
2, 1. Where did it end up, Joe?
Just shoot at the bottom.
There. Just
oh no.
Send a few rounds.
No anticlimactic.
And maybe die.
Holy goodness.
Got it!
Woo! Big boo.
I blinked. I gotta go back and watch that.
Hey, let's do it again.
All right, hit the red button.